you're a specialist, for example, in legal contracting, licensing, medical protocols, government regulation, or taxes and compliance. How nice would it be to be able to make your knowledge readily available to clients and colleagues? Berkeley Publisher software unlocks your knowledge with the use of decision trees. For example, a chemical company would like to produce a certain product cheaper and more environmentally friendly. But in the chemical sector, there are various different methods for measuring eco-efficiency. So which method should the company use? You make a series of choices. For example, what is your goal? What are the economic factors at play? What level of expertise is needed? What is your target group? The table is automatically filled in. This brings you to a conclusion which is laid out in a report. This method is also applicable to other sectors. The use of decision trees leads to good decision making, efficiency, uniformity of action, and ultimately risk reduction. With Berkeley Studio, you can create these decision trees yourself without having to resort to help from a programmer. And this is what you get, for example, with a non-disclosure agreement in the legal sector. You determine the buyer, the vendor, the enterprise, and subsequently you define, amongst other things, the choice of applicable law and whether to include a penalty clause or not. And thus, you continue building the model. Berkeley Bridge, the company that created Berkeley Studio, provides support and tutorials to help you learn to use the software. You can publish the results on an internet or intranet page where the model can be presented as an interactive application. Berkeley Publisher can be published on any web page, regardless of its design or house style. Berkeley Publisher also works seamlessly with other programs such as CRM and ERP systems. This is usually done based upon web services in which data and documents are exchanged. And what about the privacy and security of your data? The models produced via Berkeley Publisher are placed within a secure area within the cloud. You can also choose to host Berkeley Publisher on your own network. So try it out yourself. Download a trial version of Berkeley Publisher.